it's a great day to be almost retired. I'm Tony. Somewhere back here is Angie.
Hi.
All right, so we're going to talk about the reasons why we picked this trailer, and I'll start with Angie, the reasons why she loved this trailer. Okay, so number one.
Number one was this pantry. I really like, just good storage anyway. May not necessarily be pantry items going in there, but nice deep shelves.
Yeah, I don't know if this actually picks up how deep those shelves are, but it's maybe 18 inches.
Yeah, it goes back pretty far.
Yeah, very nice.
Right inside the door.
So number two.
The kitchen. Lots of counter space and deep drawers on the lower part. Those cabinets are pretty narrow up top, but the drawer space, they're very deep. They come out all the way, so it really gives you access to the storage. But there's 6 of them, even though that's a water access, so there's no storage under there. But that's really good storage, and this one goes back pretty far too.
Yeah.
But then on each side of the stove, there's lots of counter space, so I have, prep area here and prep area there. So I really like that. So lots of storage, nice kitchen counter space.
Yeah, that was a big selling point for us. There were other trailers that we really liked, but they had maybe not even that size counter space for Angie, and
with the stove next to it.
Yeah,
nothing.
Yeah, no prep area. Yeah. They might have that fold up extra counter that you could get at the end of
kind of like
the counters,
a cutting board almost. I do a lot of my cooking outside anyway, but I like the inside prep area. In our old trailer, I used to always have to do everything at the table. And that isn't always convenient and so low, so I like the prep space.
Yeah, and that is the thing, since we're going from a pop-up trailer to a stand-up trailer, we wanted to get something that was going to give us a lot of use and not just settle for something that may not be as useful.
Right.
So the one thing that we had that was a deal breaker, and every time that we went to a trailer show or looked on a lot, we'd walk in, and if the table was a U-shape seating, we immediately left. We just couldn't stand that. So what we found was this seating area has this bench, which normally goes against the window, and you could pull it out to make it a cross, what do you call that, a galley?
A dinette booth.
Yeah, so you could pull it out and make it a dinette instead of a U-shape. This table moves. So it gave us the option to have, and additionally this is storage as an ottoman. So
in the layout, this is called a U-shape, but it's not the traditional U-shape, so that kind of sold us when we saw that.
As soon as we saw that could move, we were very interested. But the fact that the table moves and that we have this long bench on each side to us is that was a huge selling point. So the other thing for me in particular, I know Angie agrees with me, is whenever you have a trailer with a TV, if the TV is not across from a seating area, it drives me nuts. You end up watching it like this, looking sideways. I can't do that. It just irritates me. So this trailer has the theater seating across from the TV. It also, there's an option that comes as a couch instead. We wanted recliners because we want to recline. We don't want to sit on a couch and have to put our feet up on something. So again, that was let's see, Angie had 2 things. The table was the 3rd. This was our 4th thing that as soon as we saw it, we were like, yep, that's checking off a box. So the last thing, in the bedroom, for us, we really, really wanted to have a cubby next to the head of the bed. We wanted to be able to walk around the bed. Lately, they've been doing these floor plans where the bed is turned sideways and there's no room at the head. So it's just awkward. This one was perfect. So this bed has cubbies on both sides. And so if you have a CPAP or want to put your phone or something else, a clock or whatever, up at the front.
Bottle of water.
On both sides, it has the plug-in and the USB. So it doesn't take away any storage. I mean, there's drawers. And a cabinet on both sides. So this has enough storage in the bedroom. It doesn't take away from anything by having these cubbies. And for us, it was just an enormous plus. So, kitchen, pantry, seating, table, bedroom. It literally checked off all the boxes for us. The coloring or the decor Angie really liked.
It's neutral.
It isn't some gaudy, you can't match anything to it, and the wood is nice and light, so you don't feel like you're walking into a dungeon.
It's not super trendy that's gonna age really fast.
Yeah.
It's nice and neutral.
Yeah. So those are the reasons we like it. I think we're gonna try to get a site booked at a nearby park probably within the next 2 or 3 weeks. We're gonna get everything that we need transferred over from our pop-up to this and see what other starter items we need. Okay, so I'm going to shift from this to the things that I have taken away from the experience. Now that we've had it home for a few days and been able to digest the whole trailer buying experience, I'll give you my thoughts on how things went and my opinions about some of the things that we decided on. All right. All right, so that's our trailer, the Grand Design Imagine 2610 ML. My thoughts about our trailer buying experience. I don't have any regrets at all buying this trailer. I think that it's going to be an awesome trailer. I hear that Grand Design is an awesome company. They really support the product. So it's really going to come down to the dealership and the warranty company for the things that might need to be fixed in the future. So we'll see how that goes. But for now, we're very excited to start our real camping, not tent, not pop-up trailer.
Glamping.
Yeah. So we have some exciting trips coming up this year. And anyway, hope that you like this video. Please subscribe, leave your comments below. We really want to hear what you think of the trailer, what your trailer is and the reasons why you liked it. And, give us some advice, things that you went through to save us from going through. And we'll do the same when we come across them. Anyway, thank you for joining us. We'll see you later.
Bye.
All right, it is much later, and I was editing the video and had the reasons why we love this trailer and our process of actually buying the trailer and the things that we found as one video, and it just got to be way too long. So I'm going to separate this out into 2 videos. So this video was the reasons why we fell in love with this trailer. We do love this trailer. We think that it's going to be awesome. So make sure that you check out the other video, which is strictly our trailer buying experience and what we went through and the things that we found since we've had it home. But we want to thank you for watching our videos. We have had a good time. This is a new channel, and we've really had a lot of fun putting these together. We have a lot of exciting things planned for this year. This trailer is going to be a big part of it. So make sure that you keep checking back, subscribe to our channel, give us a like. We're going to take you along and show you the things that we enjoy in the Pacific Northwest. Leave us some comments, some feedback on places that you like to go. I have some pretty nostalgic places that I want to revisit from my childhood. And I don't mean that metaphorically. I mean I actually want to go visit some of the campgrounds that we used to go to when I was a kid. So if you have some place like that, maybe you're not in the area anymore, you want us to go and check out, let us know. If you're from out of town, out of state, out of country, and you're planning a trip to the Pacific Northwest, let us know where we should go scout for you. So between Washington, Idaho, and Oregon, there's hundreds of places that are out there that we have yet to see. So we're really looking forward to that, and we'd like to bring you along. So anyway, thanks for joining and for sticking around, and make sure that you do check out the second part of this video, which was our trailer buying experience. All right, we will catch you next time. See you later. So it's really going to be the